Hey guys, Andrew here with White Diamond Detail Products. Today we're going to show you guys how to use white diamond metal polish to prep your rims. Okay, so what you want to do is shake this bottle up real good in the beginning. Make sure everything's mixed up nice. Go ahead and apply somewhere between quarter and a dime size amount on a nice corner of the rag here. Like that. And what I like to do is kind of just work some of this polish in. And now we're ready to start polishing the rim. White diamond metal polish is great because this formula works on chrome, aluminum, stainless steel. It'll actually work on any metal or metal alloy as long as there's not a clear coat on it. So right away after just a few moments, you're going to see that the tarnish and the oxidation is being removed from this metal. It's coming out onto the rag. That's what you want to see. So I'm just going to go around the rim here and start to cover the surface and polish this up. There's actually a hard wax in the polish. That's one of the coolest things about the white diamond formula. So when you're done polishing your rim and you remove this polish, there will be a nice layer of wax on there to protect your shine as you roll down the road. Gonna apply just a little bit more here. It's not a bad idea to redose as you go. And just make sure you get a nice polish. As you're rubbing back and forth on the wheel, if you have a really tarnished wheel or something that's got a lot of buildup on it, you're gonna feel it start to smooth out underneath the rag as the polish starts to work. Doesn't take a lot of elbow grease. I usually tell people about 2 finger strength is all you need. You gotta let the formula do the work. No real pre-cleaning is necessary. If you have a lot of dirt and a lot of buildup on your wheels, it's nice to hit them with some water before you start polishing, but this is gonna do a lot of the heavy lifting and start to polish the metal surface right away. Now that we've polished the rim up, we're gonna just let a few minutes go by before we buff it clean. This is not a polish that has to dry by any means, but it's nice to let it work for just a few moments. You'll see it start to kind of get tacky on there. That's when it's ready to come off. So again, we're just gonna find a clean section of a microfiber, something with a little cushion. It's always best to use a clean microfiber when you're removing polish from any metal, whether it's chrome or aluminum. And again, you're really gonna notice in the next couple days, especially if you experience some rain, the sealant on this polish. This is a hard wax in the polish. That's one of the reasons that the bottle, if you have the bottle at home, it'll separate a little bit. There's no emulsifier in that formula. Only ingredients that are gonna help polish and protect your rim. And part of the reason it separates is that wax that's in the polish. And there you have it, guys. This is white diamond metal polish with long-lasting sealant. As you can see, you can get a lot done with a hand polish, and this also works great on any applicator or buffer too.